is Laura George Ngoso. I'm coming from Tanzania. I get used to know BLK Hospital through my doctor from the National Hospital, Dr. Kisenge. I've been there for treatment, heart treatment, but he found also I have the back problem for some time. So he recommended me for BLK Hospital and connected me to Dr. Ashok. He just gave me the number and then I WhatsApp Dr. Ashok. Dr. Ashok, we communicated for some time and then I sent all my previous reports from the Aga Khan Hospital and sent it to Dr. Puneet, the orthopedic within BLK Hospital. We arrived here in New Delhi on 3rd of December early in the morning, and we've been picked from the airport to hospital by the hospital driver, direct to the hospital. Immediately after reaching the hospital, everything started there. We do all the recommended measurement. We see the doctor, the MRI done almost the same day. We get a bed. On second day evening at almost 7, I go to the theater for an operation. The operation did well. They transplant part of my backbone. They screw it, and then coming out from the theater, stay there for some time, getting well, then back to my room. The next day they started making some exercise, which I could not do for some times. I could not stand on myself, I could not walk myself, but I started walking slowly with a walking aid the first day. The second day I get a severe pain. They call the pain management team, which I've ever seen in any hospital. For that team, they came and treated the pain and give me a special automatic machine to control the pain. And the pain is gone immediately until today. Now I can walk by myself, I can stand by myself. I'm not using the walking aid. It's an amazing service at the BLK Hospital I ever see. I've tried with so many hospitals in our country, but the results came, you seek this, but it's not the same as they said. When I came for other checkups, every doubt in me has gone. Thank you, BLK team. Thank you, Dr. Ashok, for connecting me. Thank you, Dr. Puneet, for good orthopedic treatment I ever seen in this world. Thank you.
BLK Super Speciality Hospital, a passion for healing.